There are two ways to put on enquiries. You can either select the new enquiry button on the dashboard. Alternatively, you can go into Care Home, Occupancy Management, and then select the new enquiry button. This will open up the new enquiry screen ready to complete. The first part of the enquiry screen is where you enter details in the general section. Here you can enter who the enquiry is taken by, who it is assigned to, the date of the enquiry, the method of contact, how did you hear about us, and also the permanency. The next part of the enquiry screen is the enquiry details. Here you will enter details of the person who is contacting you. In the enquiry section, add the name, contact details, if they've got power of attorney. For the address, type in the postcode, select search, and then select the appropriate address. If the enquirer is also the prospective resident, tick this box and all details will be copied into the prospective resident section. You can also pick the relationship to the prospective resident. If the prospective resident is not also the enquirer, then you fill their details in separately. Here you will add the title, first name, surname, date of birth, any contact details, preferred contact method. The address goes in as previously, and then you can add the current care details. Here you will choose their current residence, the care type, and the reason for seeking care. Choose the funding type from the drop-down menu. You can also add NHS fee payer and local authority fee payer. If there's any additional information, you can type this in within the notes. Finally, you can add some contacts for social work and doctor. Simply type in the first name and the surname of each one. You then select Next, where you will start to manage the tasks. The next button opens up page 2 of the enquiry screen. Here there are 2 tasks to complete. Has a brochure been provided, and has there been a visit? If you answer yes to has a brochure been provided, you select the date that was provided, and that is that task complete. If a visit has already occurred, select yes, and then enter the date that the visit occurred. You must also tick to say who attended the visit. Once you're at this point, you can either add assessment info by clicking yes, or just say no, complete enquiry. This is what we're going to do at this stage. Once saved, you will see a graphical representation of the enquiry that you've just completed. The first stage was page 1, which shows that the enquiry was complete on the 13th of the 6th. The first main task was the brochure, which was also completed on the 13th of the 6th, and we also said that a visit occurred on the 15th of the 6th. When we completed this enquiry, we answered yes to both tasks. In the next video, we'll show how to manage tasks and how to answer no or yes, depending on the circumstances and what action you need to take.